Welcome to week 26 of Where Am I Investing? Over the last 25 weeks, I have invested in four mutual funds: Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund, Bandhan Small Cap Fund, HDFC Focus 30 Fund, and Parikh Flexi Cap Fund. Since I invested in these funds, Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund is down 13%, Bandhan Small Cap Fund is down 6%, HDFC Focus 30 Fund is up 7%, and Parikh Flexi Cap Fund is up 6%. My overall portfolio has a negative CAGR of 17%, with absolute returns down 7%. For perspective, during this time, the Sensex has slipped 2%. So, what did I do this week? I invested in Bandhan Small Cap Fund and kept the investment amount same as week 1. That means if I started with 1000 rupees in week 1, I invested 1000 rupees again this week. But why Bandhan Small Cap Fund again? Especially when it's in red? That's because small caps, while volatile in the short term, have historically outperformed over the long run. This fund focuses on well researched small cap companies that are underpriced today. And I'm not investing based on this week's headlines. I'm investing for the long term. Remember, conviction matters most when it is hardest to have. If you value honesty over hype, smash that like button. It tells the algorithm that the long-term investors still exist. Drop a comment below and let me know where do you think the market is headed from here. Share this video with a friend and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning into week 26 of Where Am I Investing. I'll see you next week. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This channel is a log of my personal investment journey, meant for informational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research or talk to a financial expert before making any financial decisions.